This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your Snapchat profile. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you want others to find and add you on Snapchat without typing your username, sharing your Snapchat QR code, also known as a Snapchat code, is the fastest and easiest way. Every users get a unique QR code that links directly to their Snapchat profile. By scanning this code, they can visit your profile and add you as a friend instantly. So how to do it's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Snapchat. After that, you can go to your profile by tap on the up left corner here. And from here, you can see there's like share icon in here on the top of your screen beside the settings. You can just tap on that. So here's your like your name card. Here's your QR code, your username. You can copy the link or you can share it through WhatsApp, Instagram, message, Twitter, Messenger, Facebook, Telegram, and then here. It's very simple. So maybe you want to you can copy the link or you can share it to Instagram like this. Tap and done. So now you have share your Snapchat to your friends on your Instagram. And also you can just copy the link and share it to another platform if you want to. You can add to your maybe Instagram bio or Facebook and other social media platform. It's very simple, right? So that is how to share your Snapchat profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.